Ogale and Bille communities had appealed a court decision in the United Kingdom that would have required them to prove that specific damages were caused by individual oil spills.
No cleanup, no justice!
The UK Court of Appeal overturned this ruling, allowing the case to proceed to a full trial.
One of the things that Shell was saying was that they could only be held responsible where a spill happened less than 5 years ago. Even if they hadn't cleaned it up, even if that spill is still causing harm in the community. And the court rejected that. The judge said that where they haven't cleaned up a spill, even if it happened decades ago, they could still be liable for the harm that spill is causing.
Back home in Nigeria, the paramount ruler of Ogale, Bebe Okpabione, is happy with this development.
We are very grateful to our lawyers, lead-day lawyers who have stood with us, and may God bless them. And you who is telling our story, Ofieteme George, we've been on this for over 10 years now. I think we should begin to talk to bring remedy and succor to our people, that the Royal Dutch Shell will stop, taking us round courthouses in the world, and then sit down, let's begin to talk. In fact, as we speak, the pollution goes on, it's still on. People are dying. This victory now is enough, because all the technicalities and shenanigans that Shell was trying to use to delay this matter has been cut off by the judiciary of the United Kingdom. And I'm so happy.
We have a judiciary here, but it chose to go to the United Kingdom. Why go to a land far, far away to seek justice?
If we did not go to the United Kingdom to file this matter, we couldn't have gotten judgment here in Nigeria. How can you win Shell in Nigeria? You cannot. It's impossible. It's unfortunate that we have to go that far when our laws should protect us. That's quite unfortunate. I'm highly, highly, highly disappointed. But you see what? We've been vindicated.
All the cases taken to Nigerian courts by Nigerian farmers and fishermen, community people, how come that we have not gotten just one significant judgment to nail these people? How come it is their own country where they pay tax to that is doing justice to our own people? There has to be a judicial review of how judges handle cases concerning the oil companies and community people, especially communities from the Niger Delta, because this case has opened the door wide. A president has been said that yes, they can be sued.
It's a gallopy ride through a footpath to one of the polluted sites in Ogale, where a fresh spill has just been contained.
This P is responsible for the damage of all these crops and palm trees, as you can see. A case that lasted for over 10 years, and we have won, but there are more spills occurring that are not even documented in the case. This is the plight of our people. Shell should come down, let us discuss.
Shell should come forward and look at the mess that they have caused and improve on the community by way of the socio-cultural network of the people and the ecology of the people, and so give us a means of sustenance.
The community is known for fishing and farming, and that is woven fine into the socio-cultural fabric of the people. But here's this one here. See? A recent pollution. At a time they have just won a case in the United Kingdom. So what happens? Would Shell compensate them adequately for this? Or the multinational company would want to stretch the matter beyond this level? Time is of the essence as the people look up to God for succor. From Ogale, Eleme local government area of Rivers State, Ofieteme George, Arise News.